Inside a prison hall with a legal officer from Justice Defenders talking to a group of prisoners who are listening attentively as he explains to them their rights from arrest to court, trial, up to conviction and appeal process. The legal officer stood at the front, his voice steady and clear as he continued, "Understanding your rights is crucial. From the moment of your arrest, you must know what protections are afforded to you under the law. This knowledge can empower you to seek justice and navigate your journey through this system. As we delve deeper into each stage, remember that every right you possess serves as a shield against injustice. Your ability to appeal a conviction can truly alter your future, so engage in this process and never hesitate to assert your rights." The prisoners exchanged glances, some nodding in understanding while others furrowed their brows, contemplating the weight of their circumstances. The legal officer paused, scanning the room before continuing. "Next, let's talk about the initial arrest. It's essential to know that you have the right to remain silent. Silence can be a powerful tool. Exercising this right helps protect you from self-incrimination." He took a step closer, his voice softer yet firm. "Always remember, anything you say can and will be used against you in court. So, if unsure, don't speak. You possess the right to an attorney, and they are your ally in this fight." A sense of hope began to flicker in the room as they absorbed his words. The officer continued, emphasizing the importance of understanding the process. "Following your arrest, you have the right to know the charges against you. This is your first step in preparing a defense. Ignorance can be a trap. Knowledge is your best strategy." He gestured towards the group, encouraging them to engage with their legal situations. The room's atmosphere shifted, a collective resolve beginning to form among the prisoners. As the session drew to a close, the legal officer emphasized, "Remember, your journey doesn't end with the trial. It continues through the appeal process. Each of you holds the power to challenge any injustices faced. Stand firm, advocate for yourselves, and let your voices be heard. Together, you can seek the justice you deserve." The legal officer paused for a moment, allowing his words to sink in, then added, "Now, I want you to consider what it means to be informed. When you know your charges, you can better prepare your defense. This isn't merely about legal jargon, it's about your life and future." The prisoners shifted in their seats, some leaning forward with curiosity, eager to understand the implications of their situations. "Let's now address your rights during interrogation," the legal officer continued, gesturing emphatically. "It's critical to remember that you should never feel pressured to answer questions. An interrogator may try to coax information from you, but you have every right to request legal counsel before proceeding. This safeguard is not just a formality, it is a vital part of ensuring fair treatment." He leaned in, making eye contact with several prisoners, capturing their attention. "Do not underestimate the power of having someone by your side during such moments. This can significantly impact the outcome of your case." A ripple of realization swept through the group, and they seemed more engaged, envisioning a cooperative approach to their legal battles. As the legal officer paced slightly, he delivered another crucial point. "In addition to these rights, let's discuss the importance of documentation during your legal journey. Whenever you engage with law enforcement or attend any court hearings, make sure to document everything. Write down names, dates, and details, they matter." He emphasized the significance of details, knowing that they could make a difference later. These records can serve as evidence in your favor. "Trust me, having a comprehensive account of your encounters can be a powerful tool in your defense." The prisoners took notes diligently, furrowing their brows in concentration while recognizing how essential it was to keep track of their experiences. The atmosphere shifted from one of uncertainty to a burgeoning sense of empowerment, each man starting to embrace their role in their own legal narratives. With renewed determination, they realized that their understanding and actions could profoundly influence their futures. The legal officer observed the charged atmosphere, Feeling the shift in energy as understanding grew among the group. As we proceed, let's talk about the trial itself, he began, a hint of urgency in his voice. Every aspect of your trial should be transparent. You have the right to a fair trial, which includes an impartial jury. If you feel that biases exist, don't hesitate to speak up. That right is yours. He paced the room, his words ringing with conviction. Additionally, remember, you have the right to confront witnesses against you and present your own evidence. This is your opportunity to tell your side of the story, to ensure your voice resonates in this pivotal moment. As he wrapped up this segment, he could see the prisoners leaning in, their expressions transformed from passive listeners to active participants in their fates, ready to take charge of their journeys with hope. The legal officer's voice softened, yet remained resolute as he concluded, as you step forward into your trials, know that you are not alone. There are resources and organizations ready to support you. You've got the right to seek help, whether from a public defender or legal aid services. He scanned the room, each prisoner visibly reflecting on the possibilities that lay ahead. In this journey of self-advocacy, remember the strength found in unity, the legal officer declared, glancing at the group with a warm gaze. Support each other, share your experiences, and empower one another. Together, you can navigate the complexities of the legal system. Justice can prevail when you stand united in your fight.